Today's video finds us in Oregon, on the Oregon Trail, the Columbia River Gorge, and passing beautiful waterfalls.
There's so much to learn about the 2,000-mile westward trail, and it was good that on I-84, the first rest area has a general history of the overland migration.
So we made it to Oregon, and the visitor center is all about the Oregon Trail. Definitely with the rough road, it was definitely trailblazers. Nearly 2,000 miles of prairies, mountains, deserts, and rivers from Missouri to Oregon.
This is such a beautiful area of Oregon with the rolling hills. And Interstate I-84 rides beside the Snake River for quite some time. We love railroads, and it was really neat to see all the trains and the tunnels.
We are down here.
Wow, we are right in the middle of two mountains. I call these mountains. Look how far down that is.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're currently on a 6-mile long, 6% downgrade in heavy traffic. And we're doing 9 miles an hour.
Because it's a construction zone.
Because of a construction zone. And I am locked in first gear and heading down the mountain.
At 10 miles an hour.
And that's where we're going to wind up over there. We are going to lose over 2,000 feet on this downgrade.
We are on the Oregon side of the Columbia River. Washington State is on the other side. And the view is really amazing. We have seen a lot of these windmill farms. And there's actually a train on this side of the river and on the Washington side.
What's that say, honey?
Lateral wind ahead.
A bunch of campers down there.
The Columbia River Gorge National Scenic Area has several pull-offs, and we were happy to be able to let the girls out at one of them so they could play in the grass. This was our first view of Mount Hood in Oregon, and it was beautiful.
The train has a tunnel. How cool is that?
Double track. Double port. I have that on my railroad right there.
Right there.
It was 77. My altitude is nothing.
We got off of the interstate and onto the historic Columbia River Highway route so we could explore the waterfalls. There are 77 waterfalls on the Oregon side of the Multnomah Falls is the tallest, dropping 620 feet. Because of the popularity, plan to visit early in the morning or late afternoon on the weekdays.
Whoa, we can see it already. Oh my goodness. The Multnomah Falls. So we walked up to the bridge. Way up high, 620 feet. So the walk down is a whole lot easier. What did we just do?
We climbed that.
We think it's the Multnomah Falls.
You can't do it either.
I could try.
Okay, parking is very limited. We came midweek in the morning, but it was summer. As early as 11 a.m. in the morning, the line starts getting extremely long, and I'm not sure there's actually RV parking. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We're currently working on our next video of our stay in Washington, and we invite you to come along with us and enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.